Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ice cream bars at home. First, gather your simple ingredients like 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and your favorite flavorings. Next, prepare your ice cream bar molds, ensuring they are clean and ready. Then, combine your ingredients and mix them well until the base is smooth and creamy, about 2 minutes. This easy start sets the stage for a delightful treat. Once your ice cream base is ready, carefully pour it into your prepared molds. Place these molds into the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. While they are freezing, prepare your chocolate coating. Gently melt about 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips in a double boiler or microwave. Stir in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for a perfectly smooth, dippable consistency. Now for the fun part, customization. Once your ice cream bars are thoroughly frozen, carefully remove them from their molds. Dip each bar into the warm, melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully coated. Work quickly as the chocolate will set fast. Immediately after dipping, sprinkle on your desired toppings. Think crushed peanuts, colorful sprinkles, or even a drizzle of white chocolate for extra flair. This is where your creativity truly shines. After dipping and decorating, place your beautiful ice cream bars on a parchment-lined tray. Pop them back into the freezer for about 15 minutes to allow the chocolate shell to fully harden. Once firm, transfer your homemade treats to an airtight container. They will stay fresh and delicious in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Now, you can enjoy your personalized, delightful ice cream bars anytime you wish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.